how to get voice chat on Roblox. So if you want to get voice chat on your Roblox, then what you need to do, you can either open your Roblox application, or you can also go with your Roblox on your browser. And once you open up your Roblox, what you need to do is just simply go with the settings icon. You need to go with more, which is on the left side, and then you need to go with settings. Once you click on settings, you need to go with the account info. Once you're on your account info, now as you can see that this account is below 13 years of age. So you need to first verify your age. You can go with the edit under your birthday, and you can update your birthday and go with continue, and you need to verify your age. You need to update your birthday and then verify your age with an ID. After verifying your age, once you're above the age of 13, you'll be able to use your voice chat, because Roblox will not allow you to use voice chat and you need to be 13 or older. So in my case, I'm lower 13. So I'll just need to go and update my birthday. You can go with the identity verification. You can prepare a valid ID or use a smartphone and scan the QR code with your camera app to begin verifying your identity. It's the same process on your mobile device as well. Without verifying your age, you won't be able to get the voice chat on Roblox. So go ahead and verify your age, and that's it. You'll be able to use voice chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.